car was in storage in the garage. I uncovered it. It's probably late fall. I haven't messed with it. This will just make you sick. It makes me really mad. But I guess it's my fault for not looking at stuff. But that butthead chewed a hole and just packed it all the way full. And there was some debris up around there. There's still some stuff. You got stuff down in there. Stuff on the engine. Apparently warranty paper for the transmission. He pulled that out of somewhere. Hey, pencils! Didn't know that was in there. He's trying to tell me to write a letter. Yeah, you guys will get mad because my car's all filthy. But yeah, he's built stuff underneath the seat. And this unsafe device, he chewed on it. But I gotta clean my car, I guess. She is filthy. Yeah, if anybody knows the movie from that thing's from. Led Zeppelin #4. Man, she needs a bath. I need to be slapped for not cleaning her.